December, 6:49 morning, so pre-market open. Looking at last night's close on the May week 2015 UK, and we've got the monthly chart in front of us, and you can see here they're at the lows at the moment, testing 118.25 closed last night. At the moment we're failing to break through, obviously start of a new month. We've got this big red candle here for November. RSI is a little bit oversold still, but looks this support is holding at the present moment. We'll pop down into the daily chart. The weekly chart, and you can see here on a weekly basis we failed to take out this swing low here, which was at the middle of August, and then obviously tested at the beginning of September, and then we had this big red green candle here. At the moment that looks to be holding. You can see, interesting to see here the long-term 60 weekly moving average, how that's now flattened, completely flat, going sideways motion at 125. So you can see here that obviously the market is just sort of almost like building a base, sort of sideways action at the present moment. Pop down into the daily, and you can see here the test in early September here at this level, and it failed twice there. Came down and tested it middle of November, failed again, and looks like at the moment we're getting we had a close here, but we get no confirmation at the moment. Obviously we're going, looks like, to go back up and test this swing high at 119. Obviously if that breaks, we'll go back up to the run back to the moving average, probably like the 30-day at 120. But obviously if we get further falls and we get a confirmation of this break, then obviously we know where we're looking for, 110 on the downside. But at the moment, I say, looks as though it slipped back into its sideways action at the present moment. Obviously we're getting a quiet time for markets running up into December when we get light volume. Obviously that sometimes actually works, that you do get some wild swings, but obviously we'll have to keep an eye on this, and we'll put an update next week. But finally, before we go, we just look at the American market, and you can see here that where it is, it's testing the lows of 5 years at the present moment, and at the moment that low is still holding $481. $450 seems to be the low, but you can see that this is sort of coming to this sort of action here, similar to what we've got in the UK, where we've got this sideways consolidation. Thank you for watching, and I'll put this tape next week. Thank you.